Hello, hi, welcome back to part number 7, Playwright with JavaScript. So in this, I'm going to talk about how to move the frames. So what is frame actually? So in some of the web pages, whenever you want to perform some action on the page, first you need to move to the frame. Then you have to perform the action. Otherwise, your action cannot be performed. So I just took one application. This is the application here. This is a sample application. So I will go to that application. So this is the application. So here, what I am trying to do is, I, I want to type something here. I want to enter some content, some value here. So whenever you want to perform or you want to enter the value here, you need to move to the frame. Otherwise, it won't work. So first, I will show you how it will work. Just inspect. So whenever you want to check whether it is there some frames or not, so just click here in the right side and Control F and type the frame here. So if you see here, there is an iframe. So every iframe there will be a ID or name. Every frame, whenever the UI developer implement the iframes, they will give the tag as a ID or name. So whether you need to take a ID or name. So this is the ID. I just go to the Visual Studio. Here, I just expand this code. So here what I am doing is, as usual, I am just opening one page, context. Then I am opening this application. I am just put the hard wait here so that we can wait for a few seconds, 5 seconds. Then whenever you want to perform some action on the page, this content, this text box under the iframe. Without moving iframe, when you try to perform the action in this text box, you cannot do. So first I'll show the happy scenario. What I have did is, I just created one variable, final, sorry. The variable name is iframe1. Any name you can use, frame1. And on page, okay, the page which we which we are handling. So that page dot frame locator. So you need to give the frame locator. You have to use the frame locator, and this I took from the this page. If you go here this iframe has this value. This is the ID. Whenever the ID is there, you have to put as a hash. So hash and that ID. And I'm just taking the locator HTML. So if you go here, I'll show you. So under this frame, there is a HTML tag. This one. This HTML. After moving to the iframe, then I am locating the HTML. After that, I want to perform some action on this here, this one, this. So to perform that, what we need to do is first move to the locator and just I put the heart weight and I'm clicking on that locator HTML, this one. Here I'm clicking because whenever you want to perform some action, you need to go to that text box. Otherwise, it may go here and there. So what I did, just I clicked here by using this. As already I have moved to the frame dot click. So it will move to that frame actually. Now, after moving to that frame, what I am trying to do is, in that frame, I want, there is a P tag. So how I took this export is, right click this, just right click here, inspect. So this is the, in this area I want to enter the text. Right click, copy, export. So this XPath you will get. This is XPath. So same XPath I have put it here. And by using the fill, I want to enter some text. Just some text I have put it here. How to handle frames in Playwright with JavaScript. So this text, it is going to enter into the text field. So hope you understand this one. So quickly I'll run this program so that you can understand. This is a happy scenario. By moving frames, how it will work. After that I'll show you without frame, when you move, how it will give the error. I'm just running the script by moving the frames and performing the action. So it has opened the application and just waiting, and it moved the frame and it will enter the text. See the text what I have given, it has entered. How to handle the frames in Playwright with JavaScript. This is the text I have given in this text field. Now I'll stop this. So this is the very simple program. So whenever you want to perform some action on page, first you need to check whether the 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 objects are under some frame or not. Without moving frame, if you want to perform some action, you cannot perform. So before performing action on the object, you need to move to the frame. Now if you see here, iframe is there, you need to go here. Now I'll show without moving the frame. If you try to perform action, what is the error it will do. Now I will stop this one. Yes. So I'll take this code. Now what I'll do, all the code related to frames I'll comment. This also I need to comment. So without moving, when I try to perform the action, not this. Without moving, I want to perform some action. So this is the code. Here what I'm trying to do is just opening the application, and without moving I'm just trying to locate that application and trying to enter the value. Just I save this. The other code I commented. I'll just clear this. Clear. I'm running the script. So it started execution, demo on frames. So it has opened the application and it is trying to perform the action. The action is we are trying to enter the value in this text box without moving frame. So it is not performing the action because this text box is under frames. Whenever there is a frame, you need to move. So it has given the error. I'll show you the error. Nothing is entered on the text box. This text box, nothing has entered. Yeah, if you see here, it will give the report as well. Without moving the frame, I'm trying to perform the action. So it is showing the error here. This is the problem with the iframes without moving iframe. When you try to perform action, it will give the error. Now I will remove this. The same code I'll perform. So same code is I'm performing. Just I'll clean this. Again, I'm trying to run the program and just want to show you. So now the same code after moving to the frame. The same code. Now what I'm doing, I'm just moving the frame locator and moving to the that HTML and clicking on the frame. Then I'm performing the action. Now you see how it will work. Same code I'm repeating the happy scenario. Just loading the page and moving to the frame, and it will enter the value into the text box. Something happened. What happened? Uh, Two times is there. Huh? Something happened. What happened? Wait. Look at what will work. Again, I'll same code is there. Nothing is changed here. Should work. Control C. So it has entered the value. I did not save that. That's the reason it was showing the error. So it has entered the value here. Hope you understand how to handle the iframes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Share, subscribe my channel as well as share these videos to your friend to learn the playwright with JavaScript. So the complete series. Thank you.